What's up, guys? For today's video, we're going to be reviewing the all-new 2018 Cadillac ATS Coupe Performance. So on the driver door, you have the window control. Both windows are fully automatic. Right above it, you have the lock and unlock with the door handles. You also have two memory seats. And right down here, you have the trunk opener, storage, and the Bose speaker. And behind the steering wheel on the left hand side, you have the parking sensors and lane keeping assist. And on the steering wheel, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have your cruise control, the heated steering wheel, and the collision alert. And on the right hand side, you have the controls for the infotainment system. And behind the steering wheel on the left hand side, you have the light control with turning signals. And on the right hand side, you have the windshield wiper control. You also have the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. And on the screen, you have your speeds, compass, phone, settings. You have units, information page. And on the center console, you have the 8-inch color display. Right below, you have the radio controls with the climate controls. You also have the engine start-stop button and the hazard. And a hidden storage with the USB port and wireless charging. You also have coin storage with a 12-volt power outlet. And right down here you have the 8-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and backup camera. You also have the traction control and the mode selector. You have Tour, Sport, and Snow and Ice. You also have 2 cup holders. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, navigation, settings. You have time and date, language, valet mode, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, display, rear camera settings, return to factory settings, and information. You also have Pandora, weather, climate control, text, and OnStar. So the engine on this car is a 2.0 liter turbo direct injection, making 275 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.